In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a board on Trello step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, removing test boards, or just organizing your workspace, I'll walk you through the full process from start to finish. Make sure you watch until the end, because in Trello, deleting a board is actually a two-step process. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your home dashboard where you can see all of your workspaces and boards. From the home screen, locate the board that you want to delete. You can scroll through your recent boards or switch to the correct workspace if needed. Once you find the board, click on it to open it. Now that you're inside the board, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the board menu option, sometimes labeled as Show Menu or represented by 3 dots. Click on that to open the board settings panel. In the menu that appears on the right-hand side, scroll down until you see the option called Close Board. This is an important step. In Trello, you cannot permanently delete a board unless you close it first. Go ahead and click on Close Board. Trello will ask you to confirm that you want to close the board. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove an active project. Click on Close to confirm. At this point, the board is closed, but it is not permanently deleted yet. Next, stay in your workspace and navigate back to your main workspace view or home dashboard. Look for the option that says View Closed Boards. This is where Trello stores boards that have been closed but not permanently removed. Click on View Closed Boards. You'll now see a list of all the boards that have been closed in that workspace. Find the board you just closed. Next to it, you'll see a Delete button. Click on Delete. Trello will give you one final confirmation message, letting you know that deleting a board is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need the board or any of its data, click Delete again to permanently remove it. And that's it. The board is now completely deleted from your Trello workspace. Just to quickly recap, go to your board, open the menu, click Close Board, confirm the closure, then go to View Closed Boards, and finally click Delete to permanently remove it. Remember, simply closing a board does not delete it. You must complete that final delete step if you want it gone forever. I always recommend double-checking that you no longer need any cards, attachments, or information inside the board before deleting it, because once it's deleted, there's no way to recover it. If this video helped you learn how to delete a board on Trello, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.